Hello, so yes, at Cortex Machina we are doing EEG or electroencephalography, which just means measuring the electrical activity of the brain, and BCI or brain-computer interfaces. So using that EEG data to allow you to interact with your thoughts directly with software and hardware. Now, we are from the medical field and we had to develop a system for epilepsy diagnosis where we would be able to record high quality EEG data in any environment. So also at home, in a tech fair like here, with a lot of motion artifacts from the user moving around. And since we already had this tech, we decided why not try to make a consumer product out of it as well. That's what we did here. So it's our first prototype. And we're trying to make a system that is basically plug and play, that you have to know nothing about neuroscience, that you can just put it on your head and start controlling stuff on your computer or start, I don't know, playing around with a drone, for instance, just by thinking about it. And we're pretty far, so our systems works very well, but of course it's a prototype. We're now trying to bring this to a market-ready product, and we are partnering up with a lot of companies outside of the medical sector to integrate our tech into their products. So we have some esports applications, for instance, for players coaching and player metrics in tournaments broadcasts. We are also doing some marketing where we can track the neural emotional response of marketing panel members to when they're exposed to a new product or service. And of course we are trying to integrate this with VR headsets to create the next immersive type of gaming. If, for instance, you are playing a horror game, I can see that you are scared. Well, I can put in more monsters, change the entire environment to black, or I can try to not traumatize you, depending on what I want. But it's really to create the next level of immersion.